Hello guys, once again we are back to SmartNet Architecturing Training. I welcome all of you this day as we dissect more deeper and deeper in graphic architectural design. So, in our previous studies, this is what we were able to do. Therefore, I'll continue from here. This will be our lesson 4. Then, kindly go back to some of the previous videos. You were not able to catch things. So this is our plan. We were able to do a roofing plan. As we can all see, let's look at this once again. In our last 3D video, I did some editing at the floors. Let's take it for instance. You come to the spanner here. This is your default settings. If you want to do any settings on this page, this is what there's the icon you will visit at all times. So you come here, you go to floors, and rooms. There is it. You click on it, you get the drop down arrow. Then you come to level, you go back to the drop down, you go to first floor, you click on first floor. So this was the height from the oversight concrete to the ceiling. I give 3,600. That was the editing part. This is what I did. And let's look at the effect of this plan without maintaining the same height over there. Look at this height. Okay guys, I'm going to edit it back again. Then let's also look at something there. You come here, you go back to floors and rooms. So you go to levels, floor level, then you go to first floor, you go to edit. So I'm going to change this 3,600 to maybe 3,300. Okay, 3,300. So you have realized that it have dropped down. Okay, if that is the height that you want, you recommend for yourself, most of the time this is the height I recommend. It can be 3,000, it can be 3,300. The 3,600 is a bit, maybe, unless you're having a specialties in designing. Okay, so then I go back, then I go to okay. You can witness that the height of the roofing has dropped a little bit on the building. Okay, so let's go back to a little bit modeling. Maybe I want to edit this roof to a specific roof that like I may want. Kindly double click this wall, press and hold your shift key. You double click here too, press and hold your shift key, you click here and same applies to here. Then double click on this, then come back to roof on this dialog box, then click on that wall gable, then you go back to okay. There wasn't any effect, as you can all see. Nothing has been done. So let's go back again. I know the reason why I did that. Let's look at something here. Go back to that gable, The reason all didn't work at once was that the wall height levels are not the same, but this and that could have worked on the equal side. Okay, so you see, so sometimes it's been advisable that like you do it either one by one, not to rush the card. Okay, so be patient at all time whenever you are designing. Okay, so that you get things rightly done at your comfortable state of working. So this is what we have come back. How do you check this through? Okay, people might be wondering why is that the color here and the down here matches at the same time. It also have a reason. I'll explain more detail to that effect. So guys, stay back, relax, and please, I'm reminding each and everyone here, kindly subscribe to my channel, please and please and please. Once again, subscribe, comment, click on the like button, click on the ring bell button, so that anytime that I will download or upload new videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. I'm your guest, I'm your coach, Enoch. You can call me SmartNet. We are training ourselves. So this is a portable building. Okay, so now let's go more into this. We have to add handrail. When you come to a handrail, please remember to check in this. You double click on this handrail icon, come to this on the first page, click on no room definition. If you don't click on it, let's look at what will happen here. I might, or maybe I will not click here for now. Let's go back and see something. I'll bring this handrail here. You see, let's go to 3D and see what has happened there. Okay, if you can see, you realize that there is no wall here. There is no wall at this side. Maybe if you are not seeing it well, let me go back to this side. You see, you realize that there is no wall. The wall is gone. Okay, that is how it is. Okay, maybe unless it's a special case, then you don't want a wall to be here, then you want the rails. It's also another design though, but we are not doing that for now. So kindly and quickly, let's reverse back to our settings. So I return back to the floor by clicking it. Let me go to undo. Then I double click on this icon, which is the rail. Quickly I select no room definition. Then I go back to okay. So let's take it from stand. So whoa, this is our building. Indeed, our building is actually taking a nice shape. I hope you're enjoying it. And seriously, we are dissecting a full working drawing of this project. Then we move into for another project. Guys, I have your time. So please comment, ask questions, and I'll help you out. But remember to give me a fuel of subscription and like, comment, just to motivate me to carry on. So let's go and add. You can see from this floor to this is a bit high. Here can be edited. I intentionally set it to this height. Okay, I can bring it a lower bit. Then later on we'll talk about that. We will work on that too. So let me go back to the staircase, then come to the stair 2. Come to stair 2. You shouldn't draw the stair like this. This is what it will be like. Have you seen it? Okay, so wherever your stair is pointing, walk to it. This is how it's going to be. When you walk to your steps, like you are trying to enter the porch, there your steps is rest assured. Okay, so let's take it for instance. This is how I want my staircase to look like. Then let's go back to the 3D. This is my staircase. Okay, you can edit this part. You can take this part from it. So let me go and edit the steps. Maybe I don't want the handrails to be there. Maybe too you want it that way. So it can equally be edited if you want it. If you don't, you can easily edit it. I think this a little bit finishes that we all got our hands on. Okay, so I'll remain at that editing phases. Okay, let me try something with let's go to something like elevation. So then you come to photographic view tools. Okay, photographic view tools. I'll be learning the lesson now so that it will not be too long and boring for your liking. So quickly I will then select the cross section or elevation. So I'll just roll it or draw it towards the front. This is my front view. Okay, this is my front view. You can uncheck this up, okay, so that it will be black and white. All this will be changed based on the type of roofing you are using. Okay, so I will change this because this is a shingle roofing format. So I will change this roofing type, and we are going to have the effective roofing sheet like this type, like this type, yeah, something like this. Okay, so our roofing will appear like this type. Like this. It depends on how you want it to be like. So that is your front view. Simple to come out with a front view, isn't it? The same thing I do to, I draw towards it, then I have my right side view. I uncheck this color. Okay, I uncheck it. This is my right side view. Let's go back. My back elevation. This is my back. If you prefer the color, it's up to you. And all this place will be edited. Supposing I want to edit it, we will come to that phase also. So it's easy using a chief architect, isn't it? Very fast and convenient. Okay, this is your views, and editing this part is also simple like anything. Okay, you'll get there. Guys, thank you for staying by me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your practicing along. I thank you so much. I bless your day. Kindly do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, comment and like, and I will surely solve every problem. I will surely solve any request you might request from me. Okay, thank you guys. I love you all. Bless up. Bye bye.